nearly got off on the 7th floor by accident.
That's okay. It happens.
Sorry about that, guys. But the buttons on the other elevators, the elevators in the original wing were like mismatched. The ones from 1974, these elevators were installed in 2023.
Oh, wow.
Very recently.
Going down.
Do it. Nice. Little one. I'm gonna stand here. Get this side.
First floor. Going up.
And we'll get off at 1.
Yeah.
Eighth floor.
1. What's this thing here? It looks like a
Going
camera or
down.
something.
No, I think that might be like a card reader or something.
Oh, okay. For after hours, probably.
Yeah, I think, or that might be the controls inside. I think.
Oh, okay.
I don't know for sure though.
That's so cool. You can actually see inside of there.
Floor.
Let's
I know of an Otis elevator technician from out of North Carolina. I think I've seen these elevators exactly like this one in North Carolina. I could text to see what that does.
Oh, nice. Yeah, you should.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.